You're watching Phone Rescue Experts, and today we're fixing a common iPhone issue the smart way. This iPhone 14 Pro Max came in with a common issue. The display was dim and randomly blinking. This problem isn't just limited to the 14 Pro Max, it's also seen in the iPhone 13 series. At first, the brightness wasn't responding at all. I tried adjusting it manually, but nothing changed. Then suddenly, it would start blinking. Totally inconsistent behavior. Now, there are many possible causes behind this kind of issue, but in this case, the fix was surprisingly simple. I inspected the LCD connector closely, and I didn't replace it. Instead, I carefully lifted just 2 pins from one side and 2 from the other side using a surgical blade. These 4 pins are very important for proper screen function. After that, I tested the display again, and just like that, it was working perfectly. Quick and clean, issue solved without replacing the connector. Follow for more smart repairs. This is Phone Rescue Experts.